Hello, I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive, and today's video is about the ultimate cordless DIY ratchet that you could add to your collection, especially if you don't have a lot of tools. So come with me and we're gonna check this out. So as you can see, I got a bunch of ratchets in front of me. So one of these is specially designed for DIYers, and I'm gonna go over that right now. So this is a ratchet you're gonna want to have in your collection, especially if you do not have a lot of tools and a lot of sockets and stuff like that. This is going to make you the most versatile, save you the most money, and allow you to do the most work with the least amount of tools. So what that is the Milwaukee Tool Insider Ratchet. So this ratchet right here is going to be your most versatile ratchet here. So these all are amazing ratchets here that Milwaukee offers. Some of them have high speed, some of them have high torque, some of them have the best of both worlds. But the one that I'm going to recommend for you is the Insider. And so I'm going to bring you in close and I'm going to show you the reasons why you want this ratchet in your collection. So we're going to do a hypothetical scenario here. If you had $500 to spend on ratchets and you wanted a 1/4 inch drive and you wanted a 3/8 drive ratchet, you're going to spend your whole budget just on the two ratchets right there, and you're not going to have any sockets to do any work. So that's where the Insider shines. So I'm going to take you in for a little closer look and show you exactly why this ratchet outperforms these ratchets. Even though performance-wise, these ratchets may beat it in torque, speed, or RPMs, this ratchet beats it in versatility. So the reason why I'm recommending this is because of the versatility. What this stands out for over all the rest of these ratchets is the ability to adapt it from a 1/4 inch drive ratchet by putting this adapter in, or swapping this out and making it a 3/8 drive ratchet by swapping this adapter out just like that. Now it's a 3/8 drive, a 1/4 inch drive, and bonus, it comes with all these additional sockets with the ratchet. These adapters, that means you can use any of the sockets in your arsenal, or it allows you to buy more sockets because it comes with this set of sockets and the adapters. Saves you a bunch of money where you don't have to buy two ratchets to do the job of one ratchet. So these are what they call pass-through sockets. They're a little bit different than your normal socket here. It has a special drive built onto it where it goes into the ratchet itself. And these hexagon kind of drive that are pass-through, meaning they're hollow in the middle. All right, so where I found the pass-through sockets to come the most handy is when you're working on like diesel trucks like that, where you got those clamps like that, where you see the stud right here, it goes all the way through. So now you don't need a deep socket. You can put this on here, and because it's a pass-through socket, you can loosen those clamps up really easy. Some of them are really long, and that stud will actually go all the way through. Super easy to switch the directions. It's got a variable speed trigger, so you can ease that torque on there. And then you can ratchet it like a normal ratchet as well. So you can get those clamps perfectly tight without over tightening them. Really versatile tool. All right, guys, so if you would like to add the Insider Ratchet to your collection, I highly recommend it. I will leave links for it down in the description. A little sticker will pop up on screen. You can click that link there and you can grab that there. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe.